Hey everyone, so Halloween is just around the corner and I got a request to film a animal scarf video, and here's just a list of items that you need to get yourself started. Makeup brushes, eyelash glue and tweezers, foundation, setting spray, toilet paper, makeup wipes, and an eyeshadow palette. So first you want to make sure your face is clean by taking one of those makeup wipes and cleaning your face. You want to take any type of eyeliner pencil that you have and start placing marks where you want to have the scars. With the eyelash glue, you just want to take it and place it on one section at a time since it does dry pretty fast. Taking a section of toilet paper, you just want to roll it in your hands to make a skinny strand and then place it on the edges of the eyelash glue. You really want to be sure that each strand is not too clumpy, so I'm taking the back side of my tweezers and just pressing down on the tissue paper to make sure it's nice and flat. Then I am just repeating this process onto the next section. Once you have all 4 sections done, you just want to wait until the glue dries. And now that we just have white stuff on our face, I'm just going to take my foundation and place it on top of my concealer palette. And then I'm just going to use my stippling brush and just dab my foundation onto this tissue paper so that way it can look like my skin complexion. So I didn't show it here, but if you do have any tissue paper showing through, you can use a small brush just to fill in those areas. Next, I am taking this brown, light brown shade that's close to my skin tone. You can use a powder as well and just set the foundation in place. So I didn't show it, but I just took the shade that was next to that color and I'm just placing that on top of the tissue paper just to darken out the look. So with every scratch, we all know we get a little red, so I'm taking this red shade and placing it pretty much all over my face just to give it that sort of irritated look. apologize once again for not showing the color, but I'm just taking this plum purple color and placing that just around my face, again in the same place where I put the red color, as well as on top of the tissue paper, just to deepen out the look a bit more. And just because this is a gross look, we can't forget to blend, so take your blending brush and blend, blend, blend. Taking this black color, I finally got it on camera, and my brush, but first I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray so that way it can really look black, and placing that into the middle of the scar so that way it can really look deep. Taking a black eyeliner pencil, I'm just placing that into the middle so that way it can deepen out the black a little bit. So, silly me, I've totally forgot to film it. I don't know what I was thinking, but all I'm doing is just taking this red lipstick and placing just a little bit of the lipstick into the cap, and then I'm taking some black eyeliner and just scraping it off and putting it into the cap as well, and then mixing the colors so that way the red lipstick can look like blood. So with that fake blood, I'm just placing it into the middle as well as around the scar so it can look really nasty. Of course, with any makeup look, you gotta set it. So get your setting spray and set that ish. LOL, I try to be all so emotional with it, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more Halloween looks, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up as well. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, so you can keep updated on when I post new videos. And leave a comment below, so that way I know you're watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!